Brian at Boomer University again. This is episode 2 of the vintage trailer remake. We're going to take a look inside of it and talk about what we want to remove, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah. So looking at the trailer, looking at the bunk beds here, all this needs to come out. All the kitchen stuff needs to come out. This stuff is so old. The only thing I'm probably going to save is that propane refrigerator. Those things are pretty valuable. But look at all the mold in the bathroom here. A ton of mold. So wear a mask and wash your clothes when you come out of here when you're doing this. But just get a sledgehammer and start removing all this. Here I've taken some of the cushions out already. Started ripping into the kitchen. Took the sofa out. Threw that out. So yeah, we're starting to get this done, but this is the inside what we have to do with, and the door obviously needs some work too. So on to episode 3.